Hey guys, welcome to my Vegas movie studio tutorial. In this tutorial I was showing you how to spotlight or highlight your subject. You usually see in a show like Roll Stallman's Criminals or Ghost Adventures. If you're a criminal investigator, this would be perfect for you. First, you want to find your subject or whatever you want to highlight. Right here, I got a little anomaly that's going on. That starts right there. I'm going to do a split and keep going forward till it disappears and split again. I'm going to drag this out. Next, you want to insert a new video track. You do not want to duplicate, because if you duplicate, it's going to duplicate everything, which is a no-no. So you do basically just copy and paste. Now, if you want to do slow motion, you want to ignore event grouping and delete that audio because it's not going to sound good. Now, I'm going to copy again because I modified it. I basically removed the audio, so I had to copy and paste. You have to paste another video right above this one, because this one is the opacity is going to be dropped and this one is going to have the cookie cutter. If you're going to do slow motion, hold down Control. Well, my program's just not cooperating with me today. Hold down Control and drag it out. Now just rewatch it, make sure it's good. Now, once you're done cutting your ignore group, make sure you turn it off. If you do not turn it off, your audio and stuff is going to separate on you. So make sure you have that off, because sometimes I forget to turn it off and it screws me up. Now, you want to come down here, go to your opacity, and just drop down a bit. In here, FFX, in your event FX or video FX, you'll look for a cookie cutter, which is right here. Add OK. Now, if you do not see this circle, that means the here is not set. It's going to look like that. Make sure you have this like that. And go to size. And size it down to you want it. Now you want to go to center. And you want to hit animate on center only. You do not want to click any of those. Right here, this is a keyframe. Every time you move the circle, it will create a keyframe. Now go over to wherever that you want to highlight. As you're holding down the mouse, I gotta move my mouse because I'm on a laptop. Hold down Alt. Now use your right arrow key to go frame by frame and move as it moves. You can see it's creating keyframes for me already. Because as I move it, it's creating keyframes right here. And you will make sure you're synced with cursor. That's very important. If you're not, your timeline cursor is not going to be moving with this one. Well guys, that is this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. I also forgot, if you want to add text above it, like a replay, just go to media generators and add your text. They change the text to replay and turn on my safe window. And here's the finished product.
Quarter audio test.
Well guys, there's this video. Hope you guys enjoy. Please subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos out.